Hello, beautiful souls. So, in my last video, I did a major, very big mistake, and I'm so sorry about that. So, we are going to have a recap with regards to all the videos that I have made this week. You can go and check out in my videos, the last videos. Alright, so we're gonna start off with how to end your row, all right, and then start off with the continuing yarn. So make sure when you are about to end your row, you do not insert your hook into the wrong loop. You insert it where the chains are interlinking. Like there should be two yarns, so you just go inside and then you pull out. That's how you end the stitch, the row. And make sure to always make an extra loop and then turn over your work. That's how you can continue your work in the next row. And also about the yarn, never keep the continuing yarn on the left side. Take it from behind and put it on the right side, just like I showed here. Alright, that's gonna be a little bit complicated as a beginner, but as you keep on crocheting, it's going to be very easy and you'll get a hang of it. So like you already took a loop and then you turned over your work, that's how you can begin your crocheting in the very next row. I'm making a half double crochet. So in my last video, the mistake that I did was I said these are single crochet. I'm so sorry. I don't know why did this happen. It is because maybe I'm not very regular at crocheting, but I'm definitely not a beginner. I'm very well acquainted with my yarn and with my projects. Later on, after we are done with all the basic crocheting stitches, I'll come up with beautiful projects. I'll share them with you. So these are half double crochet. You simply take out your loop and you have 3 loops on the hoop and you take off all the 3. That's how you make a half double crochet. Why it is called a half double crochet? Because you're not yarning over twice, you're just yarning over once and then you're taking out all the loops. That is the very reason it's called half double crochet. Sometimes people do wonder about the reason behind stitches being called what they are. Why are they called what they are? If you just apply basic sense, you'll get a grip and hang of it, why it is called a double crochet. Because you're yarning over and then you have 3 loops on the hoop and then you just take out all the 3 loops at once. Whereas in double crochet, you're yarning over and you're taking out 2 loops and then you're yarning over again and you're taking out 2 loops. So we are finishing off the row here. Just simply take it out. As you can see, the line is gonna be very straight if you just simply end the stitch and insert your hook on the right place while ending the stitch, and then you simply make 1 loop and then you turn over your work. And the yarn, like I said, do not keep it in the front or in the left side. Take it backwards and keep it behind your work. That is going to be easy for you to continue with your continuing yarn and the yarn won't interrupt in between your stitch or your work. Like I have also mentioned before many times, that to make sure that the yarn you're working on, it's not too loose or not too tight. Make sure to hold it in a moderate level so that you can work with the yarn without any interruptions or any tangling. So we are doing a double crochet here. So yarn over, go inside the loop, take out, you have 3 loops on the hoop, you yarn over and then you take out 2 loops, yarn over again and take out the rest of the 2 loops left on the hook. For the rest of the row, you follow exactly as instructed. Yarn over, take out 2 loops, and yarn over, take out 2 loops again. But as of in half double crochet, you simply yarn over and take all the loops in your hook. You have 3 loops on your hook, you simply take them out. But in your double crochet, you yarn over, you take out 2, and then you yarn over, you take out the rest of the 2, and that is the very reason it is called a double crochet. Makes sense, right? We are simply going to make double crochet in the entire row until we reach out the very last step, doing the double crochet, finishing off the row, and then turning over your work. That's the part I'm gonna show again, because the more so here's a guide to how to hold your walking yarn so that you're good to go as a beginner or make any crochet project. Simply how to wrap the yarn over your hook. We start off with holding the yarn with rest of your 3 fingers, yarning over your index finger. Simply wrap the yarn and then wrap it again on the hook. That's how you walk off with the yarn. Good to go. So we are going to continue making double crochet. So we are in the stage of finishing of the row again. You simply make the double crochet, and then like I said, you just simply find the hoop. Make sure it's just not one stitch, it's 2, like a chain. Just don't go inside one side or the other side, you just go inside the whole chain, and then you just simply I'm showing it, all right. You just simply take off your yarn and then you continue making. If it's a half double crochet, double crochet, single crochet, triple crochet, we're gonna come to that, and make a loop and turn over your work. We are good to make the continuing row. It's like a zigzag formation, and please guys, I am very sorry and I apologize for my past video, the where I might have provided wrong information. So apologies, and please be active and let me know in the comment box if there is any mistake or there would be anything you would like to recommend me or you would like to know from my part, or give me any ideas. Contact with me through the comment box, and do not give up. Be consistent. Whatever you're learning, keep on practicing, and I'm pretty sure you're going to excel. You're going to do great. Believe in yourself and don't give up. And look how beautiful the crochet work looks. It's a combination of half double crochet and double crochet. Hard guys, sana kayo. Ta-da. Take care.